Hi, I'm Wendy Gardner. If you have to add name tags to all your children's clothing, use these quick and easy kits. Having to hand sew name tags in your children's clothing can be laborious and boring, so use these Ironon kits. We have a name tag kit and then a refill packet, and also a name label kit, which includes a stencil and a pen, which is permanent. Let me show you how to use these. Take your strip of labels and then using the laundry marking pen that's provided in the kit, you just handwrite the name you want on the label. I'm working on a flat surface, a hard flat surface, as I find that's better to get a clear writing on the label. Once you've finished, allow it to dry for a few seconds and then you can cut out the label. So you've got a nice dotted line to work along to split the labels into their different individual pieces. I also like to round the corners to get a curved edge, and this will help prevent them from lifting during wash and wear. Just trim up any little bits of the dotted line that shows, just to neaten it off. It's now ready to attach to your garment, and on the underside you've got the adhesive. Position in place with adhesive side down, and then using a medium hot iron, which is dry iron, no steam, press in place for 10 to 15 seconds, making sure that you really press those curved edges so that they can't lift. Allow the garment to cool completely before moving, folding or putting on. This time I'm using the name label kit, which has this stencil and a plain tape, and again the tape has got the glue on the underside. Now the stencil has A to Z plus numbers 1 to 10 or 1 to 0. I place it onto my tape, so I'm placing it onto the non-adhesive side and then just working with the stencil, adding numbers. Now I'm actually putting the pattern number on a garment because I make a lot of my clothes and often get asked at shows what pattern number I've used, and of course I never remember. So this way I'm going to put this number onto the hemline of my dress, and when people ask I can just have a quick look and then quote the number that I've used. Now I do find it's best to work on a flat surface, as I've said before. It makes it easier to get a nice, crisp, clear letter. So there, my pattern number is ready. So again, I cut it out, and then I'm going to just round the corners again. This just means that when it's in place, it doesn't tend to lift off because sharp corners can come away much more easily. So this will prevent that happening, and it remains permanently in position to wash and wear. Here it is on my dress, so when people ask what pattern I've used, I can tell them. I hope you've enjoyed that video clip. There are plenty more Hemline videos on youtube.com/Hemline International. And also, most of the products we've shown have extra colours or extra sizes. So to see more, go to www.hemline.com.